Puerto Vallarta. We are here at our first Great Interiors opening of the season, a charming little traditional Mexican home in the adorable up-and-coming neighborhood of Alta Vista, Puerto Vallarta. And we are super excited to invite realtors this evening to preview this 3-story single-family home in this great neighborhood, close to everything, walking distance to the shops of Basillio Badillo and the Los Muertos amazing famous beaches. We're up here on the cooling, breezy terrace right now, waiting for guests to arrive to preview the 3 stories of living space here, designed by Great Interiors and built by developer Eric Robb, a traditional building that's been gutted, renovated completely with all the modern conveniences, and very much appealing to the discerning contemporary investor. So we look forward to seeing everybody this evening. We're so excited to be starting the season here with this cool, groundbreaking project, and it's only the first of more to come. Now that's a great idea.